Bellwork 4.4a. I'm going to be walking you through each of these problems. Please make sure you understand what you're writing. It's not good enough just to write it down because I wrote it down. You have to understand why you're writing it down. And if at any point you don't understand, please feel free to ask. Question number 1. Question number 1 is going to require 2 steps. Ultimately, I need to divide, but before I can divide, I need to simplify this numerator by multiplying. So I'm going to bring up my calculator. So to multiply the numerator, I start with my coefficients. 2 times negative 27 is negative 54. I have a g to the third and a g to the third. Those are the only 2 variables that are in, or that's the only variable, type of variable that is in both monomials. So when I go to multiply, I will be adding these exponents. I'm going to bring down all the exponents on top, though, in alphabetic order. So in alphabetic order, I would start with f to the 9th. And then g to the third and g to the third, when you multiply, you add exponents. So that would be g to the 6th. And then I'm going to bring down the h to the 9th. The bottom stays the same, so I just rewrite it. 16, g to the 12th, h to the 16th. All right, now I am ready to divide. So I'm going to put in negative 54 over negative 16. And I get the fraction 27 over 8. So I cancel these out. I put the 27 in the numerator, the 8 in the denominator. All right, my variable terms. I have g on top and bottom, and I have an h on top and bottom. So I'm going to start with my g terms. G to the 6th has the smaller exponent, so I'm going to completely cross it out. And 12 minus 6 is 6. H to the 9th has the smaller exponent. It gets completely crossed out. And 16 minus 9 is 7. Now remember, what is in the numerator stays in the numerator. What's in the denominator stays in the denominator. So in my numerator, I have 27 f to the 9th. And in the denominator, I have 8 g to the 6th, h to the 7th. And that is it. If you have any questions for number 1, please let me know.